Hello everyone and welcome friends to our channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can very quickly and easily make underlined text in Telegram on your Android device. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video, and also be sure to write your comments. And come on friends, let's get down to the topic. An underlined text is such a very cool and interesting feature and opportunity to highlight a piece of text to emphasize something in particular. To do this, you need to open the application itself. Then go to the desired chat. Then write absolutely any text that you need. Once you've written the text, in order to highlight and underline it, you'll need to tap and hold on any of the words that you want to underline. You will now need to highlight the part of the text you want to emphasize. Or you can highlight absolutely all of the text that you have typed. Now press the three dots, scroll through the menu bar, and you'll see that there's an underline text option. Click on that. As you can see, immediately some of the text is underlined. And the same effect will remain when you send a message. This way you can better emphasize the part of your message that you want. Here is such a very simple method you can easily make underlined text in Telegram on your Android. I hope, friends, that this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also put your likes, write comments. See you soon.